Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Bamboo Snack Kit. Become a level 1 warrior of sustainability, a business panda. And what do pandas eat? Bamboo. That's why it's called the Bamboo Snack Kit. Okay, without further kidding aside, I really honor and thank you for being here in this video. That means you are actively taking action to actually level up as an entrepreneur, as a warrior of sustainability. Someone who is fighting for a sustainable world. And I will do my absolute best and give my all to make sure that you have the tools to get from where you are now to where you want to go, to where you want to take your business, but also yourself. All right, this short video is an introduction video, and I will show you all the things that we will be covering in the Bamboo Snack Kit and why I've chosen to put them in this program. So here we go. In the next video I will be showing you the overview. So for now I will leave you with saying thank you for being here and purchasing the Bamboo Snack Kit, or if you had a really good deal, then great for you. But thank you for being here, and let's go to the next video where I will show you the overview and the learnings of what you're about to see.